Hi everyone, this is the PowerLabs YouTube channel and we continue train your AI dog series, and today I will be demoing you the actual app and how it's built. Let's get started. So how do we get the animated dog to recognize a real human emotions? This is how we see the actual design of the prototype. And this how we're going to build it using Power Platform tools. We will get Power App to call Power to Me to pass the image we capture on the camera, then send it to Azure Cognitive Services Face API to process, then send it back with Power Automate and display the desirable outcome in Power Apps. Let's just have a look at the application and how it works. We're going to make PowerLabs and open our AI Dog Emotions app. This is how it looks like, very pretty and has all those funny faces in it. As you can see, there is a camera, and I will be looking at a camera and trying to reproduce the sort of different emotions. And this pretty dog on top will be reacting to my facial expressions by recognizing if I'm happy, angry, or confused. Let's just have a look how it works. Let me make my face look happy. Let me look happy. Try to look happy, and it's quite easy because I'm kind of happy. You just smile, you just open your eyes wide, and that's right. See, dog recognized that my face is happy, and that's why my dog is happy as well. Let me try to look angry. Look, a dog is scared. The poor dog is scared because it recognized that I am angry. And the last emotion I actually capture is the confusion. And to make your face so confused, you just do these things with your eyebrows like this. You're just like, you're very surprised. Oh, look, I look confused, and my dog looks confused as well. Okay, it works perfect so far. I wonder, it cannot do too much apart from this, so we just, I think we just can go inside and see what's inside the dog. No, I think I'm doing it wrong. I need to just go and edit, click on edit. This is PowerLabs. Actually built it last year. It's been quite some times since I touched it, and still remember what's inside, but let's just have a look. This kind of screen with the background here with the motions field. There's a label here which will display which will actually display the names of the emotions. As you can see, this is a camera. This is a camera, and it's kind of the back camera or inside camera. The snapshot where we actually capture the camera photo. Okay, and then I click on this. It just captured it. Then what happens is, then I click in here, then on select. It collects for results, and it actually goes to run the flow, which I built specifically to It's called Azure Cognitive Services, and it retrieves the results. And then this guy takes the first of the results and displays it on screen. I'm not sure why I clicked in here. I'll go here. Don't know what I'm doing. The result collection, this is what I wanted to see. I think I'm doing it wrong. This is the right way to do this. If I try to do it from the app, it will capture. Let's just have a look what's in this collection. Just try to do it from here. The confusion is funny. The dog looks confused. I'll just have a look at what's in the collection. See, this is this is a result we're getting from flow. I wonder if we can go to the flow in here. Maybe. Not sure. I don't think I've done this way. I think so. Here are my flows. Guess there are 13 flows. And this one we're particularly interested in was running 42 seconds ago. And I don't want to click here. I actually want to stop in here and see how I'm going with my time. It's only 6 minutes. Okay, let's just go inside. See it to be called from PowerLabs. And here the result, and by default we initialize it with neutral, right? Then we have to take the value which is the actual the captured image, and we have to a little bit we have to what do we say, convert it to a different format. Then we feed it into the cognitive services face detection API, okay, and capture output. Then there's a funny bit here. There's a funny bit here because we need to have a look at how it looks like. And let's just have a look. It's only 7 minutes. Let's just have a look at something. Let's just look at the history. Whatever it retrieves in here looks interesting. And all those facial emotions attributes the emotions, right? The facial attributes, and we particularly capture emotions. They actually not just or 1-0 like emotion is present or absent. It's a percentage of emotions, and what we're really interested in something which is quite significant, like a surprise in here, which we call a confusion. Okay, so we extract anger, happiness, and surprise. Let's just go back and try to edit this. So we capture anger, happiness, and surprise. And we'll try to figure out what's the maximum, what's the most strong emotions, and compose the winning emotion by just comparing it. Okay, and then we set results into the variable and pass it back to our PowerLabs. This is how it looks like. Very simple. Hope you liked today's session. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Also, don't hesitate to go to GitHub and download app and flow and see how it's set up and how it's built. Hope to see you next time.